Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you a product that I picked up. It's going to be for my shed in the box that I have, and that I keep my tractor, my lawnmowers in. I do not come out here at night, but in case I do, I needed some light in here. So I just picked up something real cheap. The link will be in the description below if you're interested. It is just a little solar powered string light that I'm going to hook up along the main beam here in my shed in the box. Then I'm going to hang the little solar power, the little solar panel outside so it gets sun, and then this will just light up at night all the time. It'll be inside. It's just a little string light, so you can see it that much. But I've done it before with all my big sheds that I've had, the 20 footers. Just leave the rope lights in there out in the sun during the day, charge up, and they're on all night. So I don't come out here, like I said, I don't come out here that often, but it's also a kind of another, I'm not going to say deterrent, but it may help having light in here at night so mice don't come in here. Mice don't like to come out so much during in the light so much. I don't know how much light this is going to produce, but it'll help, I think, with some mice control in here. Occasionally I will get a mice in here that might get in the tractor, so we use mint oil, but then I'm going to have this going too. So let's open this up and see what this is like. Going to use my tractor as a table in here. Yeah, Splo color, solar powered lights outdoors. It says wedding white. I guess it's good. I got the bright one, so okay. Comes with little instructions. It's gonna have okay, it's just gonna hang up. I can't remember which one I got. I think I got this. Did I get the 60? Does it say? I don't remember. Well, this is a 10 by 10, so maybe I got a 20. I think I got a 20. So 10 down, 10 back, 20. That's where I got a 20. 20 LED. So this is 10 foot long. It should go right down. I'm gonna hang it up here 10 foot long, so it should be able to go down and back. And then I'll hang the solar panel right outside the door here, hopefully. We'll see how it's gonna work. Well, let's unbox this here. So instructions, and yep, bright LEDs. They say charging time 68 hours. Okay, is on, off, and flash. So let's open this up. Oh, that's right, I got the glass bulbs. All right, here's a little mounting bracket if you want to, whatever. Oh, there it is. If you want to stake it in the ground, a little stake, and then you can, but I may just use this and just tie it on. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'll leave that in there. That's it. I forgot what I bought. So I got these little, glass balls. Well, plastic balls. These are, we'll see how this is. There's a solar panel. And it has a mode button, on and off. Okay. Now I'm just gonna string these down, and we'll go from there. All right. Okay. I got the lights zip tied down to here. I didn't make it all the way, so I don't know what the deal is, but anyway, I made it down to here, right there. I only got what? I don't know, 4 foot? No, 2 feet left, or 1.5 feet. I don't know, whatever. I don't need to light that up, but and then I came back across and ended up right here. So that should illuminate here pretty good, hopefully. So then that's the beginning of the lights right there. So I ran this end down through here, zip tied it under here, and flipped it around here and snuck it in between, and then came back out right here. I was going to cut a hole in here and tape it up, but then you know what I decided to do? I decided to put the spike on here in the arm, and I just laid it here and I just gorilla taped it. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, gorilla taped it right here. Nice big, quite a few strips of tape, and then back and forth here, made a nice square with gorilla tape. We'll see how long that lasts. All right, so it's direct sun. This gets direct sun all the time right here, boom. Pretty much. So I just wanted to hang up a little thing of lights in here. Hopefully it works. I can't get it to come on, but it says it only works at night. So I tried covering it up, but it says any bit of light it won't come on, so I don't know. Or it's totally dead. It says 6 to 8 hours of charge. I don't know. I may not get it tonight because it's already 3 o'clock, so it hasn't been out there that long. So I'll let it charge up, and I'll turn the switch on at night and see it, and I'll see what it looks like, and I'll show you. Like I said, probably won't work tonight because I don't have enough sun, but I'll try tomorrow. Till then. Here's the light. Light's on at night. It's 9 o'clock at night. Got several different modes if you want. This is the bright. That's off. Bright. Twinkling. Different kind of twinkling. I don't know if you can see it. And then low. Flashing. And bright. So, yeah. That's what it looks like. It's not too bright, just gives off a little bit of light. So, yeah. I have another light on here, but anyway. So if this is something that might interest you, link will be in the description below. And like always, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.